So today, we're gonna use both of our kids' tractors. One of them has duals on the back. They're both supercharged, both super fast, and we're gonna see which one's stronger, which one can go through the most mud, and we're gonna have tons of fun. And here's our first challenge right here. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget, you can buy your very own Hudson's Playground shirt, just like this one, just like his, just like Holly's, at hudsonsplayground.com for a limited time only. You have about 2 weeks, so go buy them, hudsonsplayground.com. Y'all ready to play in the mud?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it, come on. Okay, Holly, you think you can make it? Go for it. Go. Hey, good job. Oh no, Hudson! Oh no! You fell in the mud. Oh no! Look at you. There you go.
Oh my.
You're a little muddy now.
I fell off.
I know you fell off. I saw you. Okay guys, we made it to the spot where I need to move hay with the real tractor, but it's super muddy, and if I get stuck, can y'all pull me out?
Yeah.
Let's hope I don't get stuck though, right Holly? There you go. Can I have a high five before I get to work? Okay, y'all hang out and pull me out if I get stuck.
Okay.
You got it?
Oh, Dad.
What is it? Oh, look how big this rock is. Look at your muscles. Boom. Okay guys, can y'all hook y'all's tractor up to my tractor?
Yes.
Okay, use y'all strings. There we go, we got a loop right around there. Perfect. And there you go guys, okay. Sit on your tractor, drive forward a little bit, and get the string tight, okay? And then I'll turn it on and y'all can pull me out. Go ahead, drive a little bit. Go ahead Holly, drive a little bit. A little bit more Hudson. Don't pull me yet, hold on. I'm gonna turn it on and then I'll help y'all, okay? And then y'all pull me out. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go, go, go! There you go, guys. Good job. Hey, I'm out of the mud. I'm out of the mud. Guys! Thank you, I'm out of the mud!
I didn't know you're out of the mud already!
Since we already had the string hooked up to the tractors, I say we have a tug of war. You wanna have a tug of war?
Yeah.
Alright, sit in y'all's tractors. Alright, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, Holly! Hudson wins!
I'm gonna do it again!
Oh, you gonna one more time? Okay, hold on. Yeah, Holly wants a rematch. Okay, when I say go. On your mark, get set. Cheater! Cheater, cheater! Holly! Okay, last one, rematch. We got 1 win Hudson, 1 win Holly. Are y'all ready? Mark, get set, go! Guys, I found a super muddy spot right here. I don't think y'all's tractors can go through it. You gonna try?
Yeah.
All right, Holly, you go first. Let's see. Oh, Holly! Holly's made it, Bob. All right, dude. Let's see it. Oh, I put it in high power. There he goes. He's going. Hudson! Good job, dude. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Don't forget to check out our website, hudsonsplayground.com, for a limited time only for some t-shirts. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more videos. Bye.